He used it to make any girl fall for him without fail. And it all started with one girl. He made her fall in love with just 3 tricks. He wasn't rich. He wasn't even good looking. But he knew psychology. Our brains love to return favors. It's the basis of all social interaction. If you want something, then offer value first. People will feel indebted and more likely to say yes. He used it to make any girl fall for him without fail. And it all started with one girl. He started with small, thoughtful gifts. A coffee, a taxi when it rained. She felt obligated to return the kindness. That's reciprocity. Most people aren't aware of it, but you can be. If you recognize the game, you can play it too. Know when to apply the pressure. Escalate slowly. Use the right triggers. Next, he got her to invest time, effort, emotions. The more she gave, the harder it became to walk away. That's commitment bias. Once you get someone invested, they won't quit. They show you a sale, get you to click on the limited time timer. They make you feel like you're getting a great deal, but you're actually falling for a marketing trick. They'll stick around to make the most of what they've already put in. Finally, he showed her how many people admired him. Friends, followers, fake testimonials. She thought he must be worth it. That's social proof. We look to others to see what's good for us. If everyone around us is buying a certain product or following a certain influencer, we feel like we should too. But here's the twist. These tricks aren't just used in love. Brands use them on you every day. This is manipulation made legal. If you don't control your mind, someone else will. That's all for today. Subscribe for daily videos like this. See you tomorrow.